you're overlooking like towards Salisbury Plainway. Over this way is over across towards the coast. Sherborne and stuff's back out over there, and like, you know, everything north of that.
So this is due north essentially.
Probably
Salisbury
like, probably
Plain?
that way.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sort of north, I would think. I'm not going to ask you to use your compass though. I didn't point it out because we weren't really looking that way, but have you seen the house at the bottom of the hill? Oh crap. That's Minton Manor. Beautiful. It's got a really spectacular garden in the summer.
What is Minton Manor?
So there's a little village down there called Minton Manor. And therefore the village was just built like a little hamlet around that house.
Just to service the house,
Yeah.
probably.
Well, this valley, there's another one we'll pass later on. This whole valley must have just been money.
Yeah.
Back when, you know, you got that one, there's another one further along, there's another one down the way. Must have all just been
all the wool money.
Yeah, you know, like
Yeah.
call it a status valley, like who can build the biggest mansion.
Before they knew about flooding.
Yeah. yeah, that's the one.
We'll go drop behind Ian. Have fun.
Thanks.
2 fingers on that clutch. Just pick your line. Don't watch the bikers in front of you.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Whoa. Oh, shit.
Horses.
Oh, shit.
You're good, you're good.
Oh, God. Thank you.
Have a good day. You feel it resting on the engine?
Yep.
Good. Nicely done. That was very nicely done. That's textbook.
You alright, babe?
Yeah, I'm alright.
It's been a really good experience so far, especially being that I was off to a little bit of a rough start, and that was purely due to nerves and scatterbrainness.
Look left.
That's beautiful.
It's amazing. This is what's called road work. The road work gets us from one byway to the next.
Okay.
So the road work is, when you're off-roading, the road work is the boring stuff, even though these are lovely roads.
I tell you, I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Jesus Christ.
You're gonna sleep in the car ride home. What are you kidding? I'm very proud of your open-mindedness and your ability to take on the instruction. The problem with most motorcyclists is that they get into habits. Over this past year, you've been doing very well at breaking some of those habits while training for the UK license. But off-roading needs completely different skill set than on-road riding, especially cruiser riding.
Yeah.
So focus on what you need to do, and don't beat yourself up. Just keep an open mind and try to apply the skills. Where's my brake? Oh my God. I couldn't find my brake.
You alright?
I almost crashed into the back of you. Good line. Line there. That was really good.
Thanks.
Good job. Picking the hard route. Nicely done, baby.
Thank you.
You having fun?
Yeah. I'm just focusing.
Well done.
Thank you. Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah, you see how it seems alien to power on, but the faster you go, it seems to like iron out, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.